Hey guys, welcome back to this session, and in this session we'll talk about COBOL redefined statement. So by definition, the COBOL redefined statement is used to define the same field storage into two or more different ways. The definition and redefinition of the field refer to the same storage location or bytes. In this way, different data items can refer to the same memory location to reduce the memory space. And the program is easier to maintain as well. For instance, you can store a alphanumeric and a numeric data type at the same location using the redefines in COBOL. Also, you can redefine alphanumeric to numeric using this clause. COBOL redefined statement cannot have a value clause and it cannot be used at level 01 in the file section or in the report section. Now let's talk about the syntax of redefine clause or redefine statement. So the syntax is pretty simple. You have level number from 01 to 49. Thereafter you have data name 1, that is a new name of the redefined variable. After that you have redefines keyword followed by data name 2, and data name 2 is the source variable name that you want to redefine actually. So when you define a field, you use 01 for the top level group item, then for the next level you can use number 2 to 49, and in practice most of the programmer use 05 for the second level and 10 for the third level and so on. Now let's talk about an example so that you can understand how exactly you can use redefined statement in your COBOL program. So in the following example, you have an employee record which is defined at level 01, and at 05 level you have employee record layout which is x of 30, and this 30 byte of storage is being redefined as first name and last name by a group variable that is employee name detail that actually redefines employee rec layout. And similarly, if you look at the next level, that is employee department name, actually redefine the employee rec layout once again into two different variables, that is employee department, that is x of 10, and employee address, that is x of 15. So if you notice, the previous redefinition was of complete 30 bytes, and in my next redefinition I've actually used 25 bytes. I've not used the entire 30 bytes. So this is how you can use redefine statement to redefine the same memory location which was used by different variables within that particular record layout. Now let's look at a couple of important rules that you should always keep in mind when you're using redefine statement in your COBOL program. The first and foremost rule is regarding redefine statement usage. So redefine clause must follow immediately after data name 2, and data name 1 cannot have value clause, right? So these are two important things and you should always keep in mind. The next one is regarding the level number. So the level number of data item 1 and data item 2 must be identical, and you should never use level 66 or level 88. The next one is regarding the data item size. So data name 1 size should not exceed data name 2 size. However, it can be less than data name 2. And the last one is, in case if you're using redefine clause in an array or table, then data name 2 item cannot have an occur clause. So till now, if you have any question, then do let me know. Otherwise, let's move on to our next lecture.